Alright, so you guys did get a writing and language packet. So this is packet 3. So let's go and scroll to the lesson here. Alright. So these are all of your instructions. So Journal 1 entry. This week your family has assigned different household chores to everyone. Your chore is to do the laundry. Something goes madly wrong. Write what happens. Okay, so this is just part 1. And so you can write this. And send it to me on Dojo. Alright, and I will do my response to you guys. So, let's look at adverbs. An adverb is a word that tells something about a verb or action. Many adverbs end in ly and tell how and what way. When you write, you can use adverbs to help your readers picture clearly what is happening. The batter quickly ran to first base. The umpire watched the runner closely. The adverb quickly describes the verb ran. It tells how the batter ran. The adverb closely describes the verb watch. It tells in what way the umpire watched. Alright, so it says underline the adverb in each sentence. Draw an arrow from the adverb to the verb that it tells about. Let's read our hint. An adverb can come either before or after the verb it describes. A sentence might say walked slowly or might say slowly walked. So, Jasmine nervously stood at home plate. Remember, adverbs end in ly, so here is our adverb. So I'm going to underline that. And what is the word nervously describing? It's describing how she stood. Okay? So, and plus these are, the arrows are going to our verbs, and standing is an action. You can do it, so you can stand. Her family shouted her name loudly. Again, adverbs end in ly, so we're looking for words that end in ly, so here's loudly. What's happening loudly? Well, it's the shouting. And again, that is something you can do. She carefully rested the bat against her shoulder. Here's our adverb, carefully. What did she do carefully? She carefully rested. She carefully rested the bat. The pitcher gripped the ball tightly and then threw it. So again, here's our adverb, tightly. So what happened tightly? Because again, we are saying how or in what way. So what happened, in what way, or how was the ball gripped? It was gripped tightly. So Jasmine hit the ball sharply. It soared toward left field. Again, here's our adverb, sharply. What describes sharply? The way she hit the ball. That's our verb. A player tried to catch the ball but accidentally dropped it. Here's our adverb. Accidentally, and it's describing our verb, which is catch. Jasmine easily slid into home base. So what did she do? What's her action? She slid. Her whole team cheered wildly. Oops. Here's our adverb. What did they do wildly? They cheered. For numbers 1 through 3, choose the word in the sentence that is an adverb. The crowd clapped excitedly when Jasmine hit a home run. Remember, they end in ly typically, so here it is, excitedly. The coach told Jasmine that she had hit the ball perfectly. So remember, our adverbs, they answer the question how or in what way. So, how did she hit the ball? Perfectly. Jasmine's brother proudly waved and jumped from his seat. How did he wave? Proudly. Remember, they answer how. Okay. So I would have keep doing the same thing, but let me read the instructions because this looks a little different. For numbers 4 and 5, choose the word that the underlined adverb describes. Okay, so here. She smiled shyly when she saw her family. What is she doing shyly? She is smiling. She quickly jogged back and forth to the bench and back to the bench and sat down. So what did she do quickly? She jogged, and that is our verb. Reread what you wrote in part 1. Find several places where you can better describe the action using adverbs and add those to your story. Alright, and we will do journal entry 2 tomorrow, and I will see you guys later. Bye!